You have big ideas, you see opportunities other people miss, you genuinely believe you're capable of more. And honestly, you probably are. So why does it feel like you're always starting over? Here's the truth. Having high potential and having discipline are two completely different skills, and a lot of genuinely capable people never build the second one, which means their potential just sits there, unused. Let's go through 5 signs this might be you, and then, exactly what to do about it. Sign 1. You start strong, then vanish. New project, new goal, new idea. You're all in for the first few days. Then, quietly, without ever officially quitting, you just stop showing up. Not because you failed, you just drifted. Sign 2. You get bored the moment something becomes routine. The exciting, figuring it out phase feels amazing. But the boring middle part, the maintenance, the repetition, that's where you disappear. High potential people often crave novelty more than most, and routine feels like punishment. Sign 3. You're waiting for motivation before you act. You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel ready, when I'm inspired. But motivation was never designed to be reliable, and if your action depends on it, you'll only ever be consistent by accident. Sign 4. You compare your unfinished projects to other people's finished ones. You see someone's polished result and think, I could do that easily. And you're probably right, you could, but potential without follow-through never actually becomes anything. Sign 5. You're everyone's idea person, but rarely the one who executes. People come to you for the big vision, the clever idea, the what if we tried this, and then, someone else quietly does the actual work. If 2 or more of those hit close to home, here's exactly how to fix it.
Fix 1. Design your environment, not your willpower. Discipline isn't about trying harder in the moment. It's about removing the number of decisions you have to make. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Keep your workspace clear of distractions before you sit down. Make the disciplined choice the easy choice. Fix 2. Build tiny, boringly small habits. Your brain resists big commitments, but barely notices small ones. 1 page, 10 minutes, 1 rep. Consistency at a small scale beats intensity that burns out in a week. Fix 3. Build your identity, not just your goals. Instead of saying, I'm trying to write more, start saying, I'm a person who writes daily. Identity-based habits stick because you're not fighting yourself anymore. You're just acting like who you already decided to be. Fix 4. Remove the need for motivation entirely. Set a specific non-negotiable time each day for your one key task. No negotiating with yourself in the moment. Decisions made in advance don't require willpower to execute. Fix 5. Get one form of real accountability. Tell someone your goal. Join a group. Track it publicly if you can. High potential people often work alone by default, and alone is exactly where good ideas quietly die. You don't need more potential. You clearly already have plenty. What you need is a system that doesn't rely on how motivated you feel on any given day. If this helped, follow Factbender. We break down real psychology made simple every single week.